Hey guys, what is going on? How are you doing? Victor Isibor here. Thank you for joining this video. I have a quick update, guys. I deposited $30 into my futures wallet. $30 about 4 hours ago, 4 to 5 hours ago. I don't understand how come it has grown to $38 and some fraction. As a matter of fact, see my wallet balance is $39.82. I deposited just $30 into this account a couple of hours ago. What is going on? You're going to join me in this investigation to find out that thing that is growing my money inside my own Binance wallet. All right. To carry out this investigation, let me go to PNL analysis. All right, PNL analysis. Let me see how this growth is happening. PNL analysis. You can imagine what I'm seeing here. 24.53%. Okay, in 24 hours, you can see today's PNL. 24.5%. That is amounting to $9.76 in one day from $30. Look at today's date. See how much it has made from just $30. Look at the increment, $9.76 today. Okay, let's go back there so that you will see, so that you will know. Now, when you add that profit to this, you see, when you add that profit here, you will see it is what it is $30 that I deposited there, and it has grown. So, what is growing this money? I don't understand though. I don't understand exactly what is growing this money. All right. You can see positions are open. Oh, there are trades going on. Ah, awesome. And it has unrealized PNL 0. Wow. Join me in this investigation. I need to find out the crazy bot that is growing my money for me in my pocket. I won't let this slide. So what I'm going to do quickly is I'll simply click on this transfer, and transfer the profit that it has made for me, that $9.80. I'll transfer it out. Then let me see. I'll keep watching how this $30 can, before you know, I might just become a multi-billionaire from just ordinary $30. Oh, let me go and do my investigation. Join me in my investigation, okay? Oh, I see. Come and see what I'm seeing. I just decided to open my Tafabot app and look at it. They said I have made 10.49% today. Okay. It must be the newly upgraded neuronet bot by Tafabot. The neuronet bot went on an upgrade. Okay. That must be what has been growing my money in my Binance. Wow. So how can you set up this neuronet bot? Okay, look at the bottom bar. You see the house logo? The house logo. Then after it is the blue plus sign. Okay. My screen recorder app is covering it, but it's the one at the center. All right. Okay. That plus sign at the bottom, you just tap on it. Then it will ask you, it will bring out this drop down: mirror trading, create your bot, join our affiliate program. You will see this create your bot. Okay, is what you're going to click on. All right. You click on it. Then when you look at the top here, you're seeing what is written here is the Martingale bot. But right beside it, you will see a drop down arrow. And that drop down arrow is what you're going to interact with real quickly. When you click on the drop down arrow, in the list you see Martingale bot, you see Trend bot. We are interacting with the newly upgraded neuronet bot, and that's what you're going to click on. All right. So you click on the neuronet bot, and of course you will now look at the top. It is now highlighted at the top. All right. Then what you want to do is click on get started. All right. So you just tap on get started. It's going to ask you what capital do you have. The minimum capital is $100, but I'm just testing it out with $30, but the minimum is $100. You have to know that the minimum is $100, but I'm just testing it out with $30. Okay. $100. $100. Okay. You tap on this arrow. All right. You tap on this arrow. When you tap on it, then it's going to show you what do you want to do, spot or futures. Let's go for futures. All right. Anywhere you're interacting with futures, there's always a warning, a risk warning. All right. Click on I accept the risk. And when you click on I accept the risk, select your preferred exchange. For me, it is Binance. Click on Binance, then you will now see this plenty write-up. Now, look at this. Okay. The minimum that this bot is going to give you is 15% in a month. But let me tell you, they are just trying to be humble. Okay. That is when you under promise and over deliver. They want to wow you. That's why they put 15% here in a month. Because as you can see from my Binance PNL, you can see that I've made over 24% within 3 hours. Okay, so this bot has the ability to wow you, but caution, caution, caution. All right, when you are coming in, if you're going to use the link in the description to register, what you should have in mind is 15% in a month. But you know, crypto is unpredictable. You will get more than that, but have it in mind that you cannot get less than 15% in a month. Okay, but like you saw earlier, I've done more than 24% in just few hours. All right, so what they do is, you know, they under promise and over deliver. All right, so that you will have that wow effect at the end of the day. Now, once you look at this, there's nothing else for you to do. What you do is tap on create bot, the blue button at the bottom. When you tap on create bot, boom, it is done. You don't have to bother about settings, you know, tweaking your settings, switching one thing off and on. It's totally hands-free and artificial intelligence at its best. Then you start making money. It's as simple as that. Okay, if you're interested to get on board, tap on the referral link in the description of this video. As soon as you are done, make sure you chat me up so that I can give you further guidance and probably add you to the interactive group. Tell somebody to tell somebody and sing it out on the mountain. Tafabot is back. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. For now, it's bye for now. Let me go back and keep monitoring how fast my money is growing in Binance. See ya. Bye.